Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable strikethrough checklist on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the settings icon. Here, click to the notes option under the dark mode, and here you can find the strikethrough checklist, completed checklist items. Actually, I use that function, but if you want to turn off, just click to the next green circle, and if it will be turn gray, this function will be disabled. And if you want to turn on, just click that and this will be green. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.